Hi guys, this is Abigail with the education team coming to you from my yard. Now I have a really fun lesson for you guys today, and it is all about butterflies. We're going to be talking about the stages in their life and some really fun facts about them. So there are over 20,000 species of butterflies throughout the world, and you can find them on every continent except for Antarctica. Now butterflies are considered insects for several reasons. Many insects have 4 wings, so we have all 4 here. They also have 6 legs, so you can see the 6 here. They have antennas, and then they have 3 portions of their body. They have the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Now, butterflies are usually very vibrant in color and have a lot of really cool patterns, and you'll usually see them out and about during the day. We're going to go ahead and get started in talking about the 4 different stages of a butterfly's life. Stage 1 is the egg stage. You'll notice on my model here some of the small green dots. Those are the eggs. Butterfly eggs are very, very small, and they'll typically lay the eggs on leaves. Now you may be wondering, how many eggs does a butterfly lay? That all depends on the species. Some may lay several dozen, some may lay between 100 and 300, some may lay several thousand, and like I said, it all depends on the species. Hatching varies from species to species. Typically it's about 5 days. But after those 5 days, we get stage 2 in a butterfly's life cycle, which is the caterpillar stage. Now, caterpillars, when they hatch, are very tiny, but they eventually grow to be about 100 times that size. Stage 3 is the chrysalis stage. Now, this is where the caterpillar develops into the butterfly, where it gets its 4 wings, its 6 legs, its 2 antennas, and its head, thorax, and abdomen. It usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the species, to emerge. Stage 4 is the butterfly stage, and I think this is one that we appreciate the most. They emerge from their chrysalis. Their wings are usually pretty wet, so they can't fly right away. It takes a little bit for their wings to dry, and once they do, they're able to go fly and look for nectar and for a mate. Now you may be wondering, how do they smell? How do they taste? So they have receptacles on the ends of their antennas to be able to smell, which is pretty cool. Now they also have receptacles on the ends of their feet where they're able to taste. So when they land on you, they're actually tasting you to see if you are a flower. And then last but not least, they eat through this little area here. It's kind of like a curl, and that is called a proboscis. This is basically a straw, and this is how they soak up any nectar. They'll stick their proboscis into the flower and then take in all the nectar that they need.
Butterflies are very important for the ecosystem for several reasons. They are considered a pollinator species, and they are usually attracted to flowers that have strong scents and ones with large amounts of nectar. There are several ways that you can help butterflies. One way is to do research in what butterflies live in your area or migrate through. You can then do some research in what native plants those butterflies are attracted to. Once you do that, you can plant them in your yard or talk with your apartment complex to get them planted.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today and learning all about butterflies. You'll have to go out and explore your neighborhood and see what butterflies you guys find. And we look forward to seeing you guys at the Naples Botanical Garden very soon.